In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload your contact list into Flodesk in just 5 minutes. Whether you're new to Flodesk or simply need a refresher, this guide will walk you through the process step by step, making it as simple and straightforward as possible. So let's dive in and get your contacts seamlessly integrated into your Flodesk account. First, let's start by preparing your file. The foundation of a smooth upload begins with organizing your contact list. You'll need to ensure that your contact list is compiled into a file format that Flodesk can recognize, which brings us to the next point. Make sure you save your contact list as a CSV file. CSV, or comma separated values, is a file format that Flodesk and many other platforms can easily read. Most spreadsheet applications like Excel or Google Sheets allow you to save your data as a CSV, which is crucial for this process. When you save the file, it's essential to include at least the email column. The email address is the primary identifier within Flodesk and is necessary to add contacts. However, you can also include other columns such as names or any other relevant details you feel are important for your audience segmentation. Now it's time to head over to Flodesk, open your preferred web browser, go to flodesk.com and sign in with your credentials. If you're not already a member, you'll need to create an account before proceeding. Once logged in, you'll want to navigate to the Audience section. Click on Audience located at the top of the Flodesk dashboard. This section is where you'll manage your contacts, and it's here where we'll add those subscribers you've diligently prepared. To add your subscribers, look for and click the plus add subscribers button. This will prompt you with different options to add your contacts. Here, you'll choose upload a CSV because you already prepared your list in this format. Now select your CSV file from your computer, be sure to double check you have the correct file prepared and then upload it. Once the file uploads successfully, you'll need to match your fields. Matching your fields is a vital step. Flodesk will ask you to match each column, such as the email and name, with the corresponding fields in Flodesk. This ensures that all the information aligns correctly with Flodesk's internal structure. Finally, once you're confident that everything looks correct, go ahead and click Finish. This final action prompts Flodesk to upload and save your contact list, and just like that, Flodesk will handle the rest and your list is uploaded. You're all set. Your contacts have now been successfully added to Flodesk, ready for you to engage with them. Thanks for watching, and I hope this tutorial was helpful and made the process easier for you. Happy emailing.